All this while हमें ये लगता था that Deepika Padukone has been a blessed actress with a debut film alongside the Badshah Khan and post that a series of hits. एक एक्ट्रेस को और क्या चाहिए? चाहे दीपिका का स्ट्रगलिंग पीरियड काफी छोटा रहा हो, the actress still has had a bumpy ride in Tinseltown. चलिए, let's browse through a couple of them. The coffee debacle. Yes, we want to begin with this controversy because let's face it, it's our most favorite. When Deepika Padukone debuted on the sets of Coffee with Karan along with Sonam Kapoor, the hot topic was the ex-lover of both the ladies, Ranbir Kapoor. Statements like Ranbir Kapoor should endorse condoms and he should work on his boyfriend's skills were made by Dibs Darling, stirring some serious controversy. In return to the pot shots both Deepika and Sonam took at Ranbir, a furious Rishi Kapoor reacted saying, "It just shows their class. I would like to tell them to stop giggling all the time and instead grow up and behave maturely." Whoa, that's one angry dad. The next controversy would be her love life. Deepika's love life has always created a buzz, starting with Nihar Pandya during her struggling days, ditching him, becoming an overnight star with Om Shanti Om, and moving on to cricketer Yuvraj Singh. काफी एडवेंचरस स्टार्ट था इनका. सोर्सेज की माने तो युवी और डिप्स का अफेयर बस कुछ समय के लिए ही चला. After Yuvraj, Bachna Hasino gave Dips her longest relationship with Ranbir Kapoor. लगभग 3 साल का साथ और टैटू बनवाने के बाद the most loved couple had a breakup. जिसके बाद Dibs became the brand ambassador of IPL team Royal Challengers Bangalore, जहां उन्हें साथ मिला सिद्धार्थ माल्या का. And after that just came to an end. अब दीपिका के चर्चे हो रहे हैं रणवीर सिंह के साथ. Now that's one controversial love life. The PDA. Yes, public display of affection ने खड़ी कर दी दीपिका के लिए एक और controversy. After being chosen as the brand ambassador of Royal Challengers Bangalore, Dibs was said to be dating Siddharth Malya, and to put the rumors to rest, the duo was caught in a PDA act in one of the IPL matches, जब ये दोनों सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे अपनी टीम की जीत. Exactly उसी वक्त कैमराज ने इन्हें इस तरह कैप्चर कर लिया. A leading daily in an interview had asked Siddharth about Deepika's new love Ranveer Singh, to which he stated, "What they choose is their business, not mine or anyone else's. They've just made a great film. People should focus on that because that's what they do. I don't care, I'll always be protective of her because as I said, I'm friends with my exes." Exes, huh? वैसे तो दीपिका काफी डिप्लोमेटिक मानी जाती हैं, but her reaction to ex-lover Ranbir and his rumored lady love Katrina's much publicized leaked vacation pictures came as a shock. She had stated, "It has never happened with me. I believe if you're a celebrity or public figure, these things are bound to happen. And I don't think you can accuse anybody of anything. If I am a public figure and if someone has captured me, then I feel I should have been a little careful." इस स्टेटमेंट से कटरीना काफी नाराज हुई और अपनी ही तरीके से उन्होंने दीपिका को याद दिलाया that she too is on the same boat. As उन्हीं दिनों डिप्स के दुबई ट्रिप की एक ऐसी पिक लीक हुई थी where she was being kissed by her current rumored lover Ranveer Singh. कटरीना का कहना था that Deepika should mind her own business. Whoa, that's one intense cat fight. ये थी Bollywood's reigning queen Deepika Padukone की अब तक की most talked about controversies. We're gonna be back with another celebrity's controversial life next week. Till then, hit the like button for the one and only Deepika Padukone and do subscribe to Bollywood Now.